Ever wondered how those quick cash apps work? You know, the ones that offer you a little extra cash when you need it? Well, today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of one of those apps, FloatMe. And specifically, we're going to tackle a burning question. What is a FloatMe interest rate? Before we get into the specifics, let's understand what a FloatMe interest rate is in simple terms. Imagine you borrow money from a friend. They might ask you to pay them back with a little extra on top. That extra amount is essentially interest. In the case of FloatMe, it's the fee you pay for using their service. FloatMe interest rate breakdown. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Unlike traditional loans, FloatMe doesn't have a fixed interest rate. Instead, it uses a dynamic pricing model. This means the interest rate can fluctuate based on various factors. So, what are these factors? 1. Your credit score. Asterisk, just like with a traditional loan, your credit score plays a significant role. A good credit score can mean a lower interest rate. 2. Your income. Asterisk, your income level can also influence the interest rate. A higher income might lead to a lower rate. 3. Your spending habits. Asterisk, how you use FloatMe can also impact the interest rate. If you consistently use the app responsibly, you might be rewarded with a lower rate. 4. Market conditions. Believe it or not, even the overall market conditions can affect your FloatMe interest rate. Economic factors like inflation and interest rates can influence the pricing model. How to check your FloatMe interest rate. So, how can you find out your exact FloatMe interest rate? It's pretty straightforward. You can usually find this information within the app itself. Look for a section labeled interest rate or something similar. If you can't find it there, you can always contact FloatMe's customer support. Pros and cons of FloatMe interest rates. Asterisk, now that we know what factors influence the FloatMe interest rate, let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros. Asterisk, flexibility. Dynamic pricing can offer more flexibility compared to fixed rates. Asterisk, potential for lower rates. If you have a good credit score, responsible spending habits, and favorable market conditions, you might enjoy lower interest rates. Cons. Asterisk, uncertainty. The fluctuating nature of the interest rate can create uncertainty. Asterisk, potential for higher rates. If your credit score is poor, you spend irresponsibly, or market conditions are unfavorable, you might face higher interest rates. Asterisk, so, there you have it. A FloatMe interest rate is essentially the fee you pay for using their service. It's influenced by factors like your credit score, income, spending habits, and market conditions. While it offers flexibility, it also introduces uncertainty. With that said, if you're considering using FloatMe, it's essential to understand the potential costs involved. Always weigh the benefits against the potential drawbacks to make an informed decision. Thanks for watching. And until next time, keep your finances in check.